This is Father Joachim Rodriguez, and along with me Father Sebastian, the chaplain of the chapel called My Dev Chapel, Gausawada, Shivalim. Today is a special day for us because exactly 79 years ago, in 1944, then the chaplain, Father Lazar, started this custom or the tradition of having a May Queen, that is the spinster who is going to get married, comes and crowns Our Lady of Fatima. We are in Novena days, and today is a big day for us, and I'm sure all of us are united in prayer to Our Lady. We thank God that giving us Mother Mary, the Mother of God, and all of us love her, and this chapel is dedicated to her. People long for this day, and this crowning done by a spinster is limited only to Gausawada people. Anyone gets chance from any side yearly, and then everyone is respected and given chance. My dear friends, many have experienced the grace of God through the intercession of Mother Mary, the powerful intercessor that the Church has given to us, God has given to her. Many have prayed to her, and many people's prayers are answered. And we pray that all those who are looking for a partner in their life, that their wishes may be fulfilled, and God may bless all those who are married, those who are going to get married, especially today's crowning, the one who is going to do. We pray for her, we pray for her family, and we pray for all the people gathered here and those who are going to watch these things, that the Lord may have mercy on you, and may Mother Mary, Mother of God, our Mother, which Jesus has given to us from the cross, may continue to intercede for us, and we may have high respect for her, honor her, and pray through her for all our needs. Wish you all the best, and we pray for all of you. May God bless you all.
So my 2 years of experience, this is the second year, really privileged as a chaplain, and this traditional following for 79 years. And today, as we gathered in front of our grotto, Our Lady of Fatima, especially the crowning the statue of Our Lady of Fatima, and really it's whoever watching this live telecast and whoever see this program, really Mama Mary intercede, and especially I pray for this moment, all the young girls and boys who are looking for their life partner. May this ceremony gives meaning to the all over the world who are watching this, and we give intercession prayer to our Mother Mary, to Divine Master. So as we belong to Father Joachim Rodriguez and myself belong to the Congregation of the Blessed Sacrament, the Archdiocese of Goa, given the opportunity to serve the people of Gausawada Shivalim. It's a privilege for us.
I'm Evita Fernandez, the May Queen this year crowning Mother Mary statue. I feel very blessed and chosen and delighted to have this opportunity. The time that I started living in this ward and I heard about this tradition about the crowning, I always had a wish that I get this opportunity, because it's always 1 year, one girl. And today, as the day has arrived, I feel very blessed and privileged to have this opportunity to crown Mother Mary with the crown of roses on her head. And
what's the message in you?
So this tradition that is followed over here basically is for the blessing that is invoked on the bride-to-be, the spinster, on her for her future and for her wedding. And as I crown Mother Mary, I also ask her blessings upon all those girls, all those spinsters who would get married in the coming years.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.